What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks, put you at an advantage on the market. What's going on, everybody? Okay, so we're breaking down AMC today. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily time frame, and this allows us to see the overall direction of a picture of our stock is in. It allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our entries, and etc. So let me go ahead and dive in because the market just opened about 5 minutes ago. So I'm going to try to push this out as fast as possible. So yeah, this is right here is our major support line over here. We can test this by seeing all the candlesticks that have bounced or reacted in this area. We can see that a lot of times when we come in this area, it bounces. And then this middle line represents our minor resistance. We can see that this candlestick got rejected in this area, these two, and ultimately created a breakout over here. Hit our major resistance line up here. We can see that it got pushed back here, pushed back here. We have a candlestick bouncing on this area too. So you want to test these areas at least 3 times, if not more. And if you can't see it within the area that you're looking at, you can always back test even further, that being going further back in time to find these areas. So let's go ahead and dive into where we're at right now. So we are above, we just broke above the trend line. So that is a good sign of a reversal, that we are trying to create an upward trend. The only thing is that if you look to where we're pushing up into, we're pushing up into this minor resistance. So the safest entry that I could say is to wait until we break above this minor resistance, that being at the $11. Once we can break above that and pull back down onto, now once worked as resistance would work as a floor, would be back down here at the $11 area. So you'd wait for this to break above this area and pull back down, and that would be the perfect entry to get in. Have your stop loss below that line. Give yourself some room just in case you have a candlestick wick that peekaboos below that level, and ultimately your first target would be back up here at the $14 area. So the reason why I would say is to wait is because if we do continue this upward trend and we hit this minor resistance and it decides to react, like I said, we can check over here, and over here, that a lot of times when we hit this area, we get pushed back. So if we can break past this area, come back down and show that buyers are stepping up and we create a higher low and we still are above this trend line, that'd be a perfect opportunity to get in as long as you have your stop loss on the opposite side. Getting in right now would be really aggressive, knowing that if we look left, like Beyonce says, we have all this prior minor resistance in this area, because you don't know if we come up and hit this and then we pull back down to our major support line, you're going to be stuck from your entry at $10 all the way back down to $7. So if this does happen, if we come up and it does not break above this, your better entry would be back down here at the $7 or $8 area. Have your stop loss back down below this, maybe at the $7.33 area or $7.10 area. That giving yourself some room. So you have two options to getting in. So either way, you have an idea on where to get in on this stock. But as of right now, like I said, it'd be too early and aggressive to just jump in right now when we don't have a clear direction on where we're headed. So like I said, wait till we can break above this minor resistance at the $11 area. Wait for it to come up and come back down and retest this level. If we retest this level, like I said, that'd be an amazing entry to get in. Your first target would be back up here at the $14 area. If we come up and do not break past this area, wait for us to pull back down to our major support area, the $7 or $8 area. As long as you have your stop loss below this level, it would be another great entry for you guys. So I'm trying to make these videos as fast as possible today because I still am sick. My throat is killing me. So bear with me, you guys. Let me just check the volume before I go. Like I said, it just moved up another million, I think. So we're at 3 million, almost 4 million for today as of right now. But I hope this helped you guys. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me. It allows me to make this content daily for you guys. But other than that, have a beautiful day and happy trading.